this Selva. Day by day IT related videos we are uploading to the channel. Subscribe the Infinite Gain channel. Thank you friends. Now we are see how to solve blue screen error for error code is critical processing tied error. Okay, how to solve given procedure. When I login time, this is like error. Just keyboard shift long press and restart it in mouse. Okay, this is this processing goes to for repair option, repair mode. Okay, here choose option is comes, go to troubleshoot and advanced option in command prompt. Now it is open command prompt. Your password ask now, just you enter your login password. My password is I am entered it and click enter. Now it's comes command prompt. Just type it here, reg editor, enter it, file, import this PC in under find your C drive, go to Windows, scroll down and under is there temp, just delete, right click and delete it temp folder, just refresh it once, again create new folder, again refresh it. Now it's come a new folder, just rename TEMP, caps TEMP, just refresh it. Then same like free fetch, find free fetch, just right click and delete this folder, refresh once and new folder create it and refresh it, free fetch, type it here, refresh it. Now system32 file select, go to drivers folder, in under any current modification, date modification, once click it here, any current data file is there, just right click and delete it here, once refresh it, come back sys wow 32 system32 now cleared, and then sys wow 64 select, same like date modified, click it, current any modification folder file is there, just right click and delete it. Same procedure do to in C drive program files and program 86 also, date modified, click unwanted important is I think unwanted folder any you have in current modification date times comes na, just right click and delete and refresh it, both are program files and program 86 both are in current update files, delete in under, then continue Windows 10. Now your problem solved, check your system. Thank you friends, thank you for watching, subscribe this channel.